Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I have a farmhouse inspired Dollar Tree Christmas ornament DIY and I think you're gonna like it, so please keep watching. Alright, so I have a couple of different versions I'm going to make for you, but for this one you're going to need these little styrofoam balls that you can get at your Dollar Tree, as well as this twine and these little berries that you get from your Dollar Tree bushes. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is pluck those little berries off those stems. My kids would have loved this, but they were at school and mommy got to have all the fun. Alright, so next you're going to cut a small piece of twine and you're going to hot glue it to the little styrofoam ball. Now this is the largest that comes in that little pack. And I just use a little berry to actually adhere the twine and secure it to the ball. Next, it was time to hot glue all those little berries onto the styrofoam ball. Now you will notice that some of the berries will be white where you removed it from the stem, but try to place those areas facing the styrofoam so you can kind of cover them up. Now this is what it looks like after all of them have been glued on. There will be some white areas that will kind of show, but that can easily be fixed with a little bit of acrylic paint. And yep, I totally had that in my stash. Then I just added some gloss Mod Podge that I found at Dollar Tree. They are carrying that now as well, and I just painted it all over the ornament. Then after everything was dried, I added a little burlap bow to the top of the ornament, and it was finished. And here is the final product. So for this next ornament, I am going to use these ornaments that come in this pack right here. I decided that I could get more bang for my buck if I use these ornaments. Now, you guys know I sew, and I had several pieces of this white denim fabric from when I did those DIY chargers that I showed you guys in my tablescape. So I decided to go ahead and put those to use with this ornament. Now, I know some of you guys don't sew and might not have scraps of fabric, but keep in mind that Walmart does have those little squares of fabric that they sell for 97 cents. Or you can also use some of that really pretty Christmas tissue paper that Dollar Tree has on hand. They have beautiful selections for the holiday season. And as you can see here, I just basically hot glued 4 little strips upright and left the top open. It kind of reminds me of Wilson from Castaway. Then I tied the top with a little piece of twine as well. And then I added another cute little burlap bow to this one as well. And then I took some of those berries from the last ornament DIY and I also hot glued them on to the top. And then I added just a leaf or two from a little mistletoe bush that I had as well from Dollar Tree. And in order to hang this ornament, I just looped a little piece of twine through the little top part of the ornament. I didn't show that in the video, but that's pretty much all I did. Now for another little bit more rustic one, I did one with the leftover fabric that I used for my DIY tablecloth. So for this one, I used a red ribbon and I used white berries. Now, if you don't like the look of the strips of fabric, you can use an entire fabric square. Again, this was a remnant from some pillows that I sewed a long time ago. Now, in order to embellish this, I used some of the leaves from the berry bushes and I added little red berries to the center. And here is how those look on the Christmas tree. Now, if you like how these turned out, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I am totally curious, which one do you like the best? Do you like the fabric version or do you like the berries? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and you can totally make the one with the berries without the twine and just make it into a vase filler. How cool would that be? Alright, you guys, I got some more DIYs headed your way, so make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!